Frustrated by the Telephony API 32.dll software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Telephony API 32, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the Telephony API 32. It provides the software interface for managing modems, fax machines, and VoIP telephony hardware. While a legacy component, it is still required by various dial-up and specialized communication tools. If missing, legacy Fax and Scan utilities and business PBX tools will report that telephony services are unavailable. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. This error indicates that a protected Windows file has been compromised. Use the official System File Checker tool, run sfc/scan now in an administrator CMD to ensure Telephony API 32.dll is restored to its original verified state. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Telephony API 32 file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. A quick safety warning: never download files like Telephony API 32.dll from unofficial websites. These files are often outdated or bundled with malware that can compromise your personal data and system security. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. The link below references a primary diagnostic resource for reviewing Telephony API 32 and system configuration. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Telephony API 32 today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.